that it was called Black Wall Street. Now, Tulsa isn't that big, and this was only like 32 square blocks or 35 square blocks. And there were over 600 businesses, and most Americans still don't know about this town to this day. Over 600 businesses. They had grocery stores. They had a bus system. They had law offices, libraries, movie theaters. They even had planes, you guys. And it took the dollar a year to circulate before it actually left the community. And even in the most close-knit communities today, it takes the dollar at least, like in the Asian community, it takes the dollar 30 days to circulate before it leaves the community. In the Jewish community, it takes the dollar 20 days to circulate before it leaves the community. In the white community, it takes the dollar 17 days before it leaves the community. But in the black community today, 6 hours. So here you have this community that was so prosperous and it was thriving, and it was during a time that it was most dangerous to be black in America. Look up Red Summer, GTS that. It's when the black people were lynched at record numbers, and even in this small town, as they did all across the towns all over the country, they bombed it and they burned it down because they were jealous. And not only did they do that, but they went in and they stole the people's things from their houses. And they would say things like, well, how did this end have more than what we have?